So Lola, Mom's going to the grocery market. What do you want? Lettuce, corn, broccoli, maybe dog treats. Oh, I knew you'd say it. I just knew it. All right. So now that he's mentioned dog treats, I can snap and eat one. Snap. High in protein, very. So that's it for today. But voila! Bye guys!